We're going to be looking at an Xbox One controller that has stick drift. Now the right thumbstick appears to be working normally. The left thumbstick is out of whack, and you can see that whenever I try moving it around, it wants to go towards the left. So we're going to disassemble it, and we're going to add a stick drift fix to it and then adjust it. Let's get started. We're going to need to remove 5 screws in order to get down to the circuit board. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip it over and take the battery cover off. You need some type of a prying tool, and you're going to slide it right in the back where the trigger's at and just pull up. Now there's 2 screws on each side. There's one here and here, and then you have 1 screw that's underneath the sticker in the battery compartment. These are Torx bits. Okay, that side's done. Okay, if you kind of just feel around with the sticker, you can feel where the indention's at. You just poke the screwdriver right through it. And then you can lift the top cover off as well. This is the part we're going to install. This is the Drift Fix Analog Stick Fix. You can find these on eBay, Amazon, they're all over the place. Now, these 2 little potentiometers on here allow us to adjust the values on the joystick to put it back in the correct specs. So we're just going to lay it on here. Now on this side you have a little transistor right there that's going to keep it from setting flush, but these are flexible, and the only pins that you really need to worry about are going to be these 3 right here and these 3 right here. All the rest of them are just anchor points. Just going to go ahead and lay that on there. Put some flux on there. So I'm going to use my tweezers to kind of push it flush. Okay. Just work my way around. This is a really easy part to solder, so just take your time and you'll get it.
Okay, I'm not going to worry about that one over there in the corner. Like I said, it's just an anchor point. You can see right here that I did bridge 2 of the connections. So I'm going to fix that real fast with some solder braid. Alright, let's switch back over to the computer. Okay, it says what you want to do is you want to use a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to adjust those 2 pots on there. One is for the y-axis and one is for the x-axis. All you got to do is just make very small adjustments until you get it right. Once you get it right, your stick should go back to center just like that, and your stick drift problem will be gone. It might be also a good idea to bring up a video game and test it in there too as well, and make sure there's no stick drift before you put your controller back together. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.